This is going to be your hip drops exercise. Great exercise, learn how to know how to use your hips versus your back when they're rotating. So all you gotta do is get on your back here. Your feet are gonna be a little bit, about a shoulder width apart, maybe a little bit wider. And what we're gonna focus on here is knowing how to use your hips instead of your back to rotate. So a lot of times when we rotate, we use our back too much. So you'll see a lot of this happen, and we never actually are using our hips. So you lay down on the ground like this, and I'm gonna be focusing on my left hip and turning it in. So I'm gonna move my hip in as much as I can without letting my back come off the ground. So I'm gonna hit an end range about that far. I can't go anymore. And I'm gonna use this leg to come out without letting my back come off the ground. You just wanna push yourself as much as you can until you see that kind of happen, and then you stop. So other side, I'm gonna go hip in and also hip out and work that hip rotation and just get more comfortable with using your hips and not your back. So work within your range of motion. Everyone's tighter than others, so also play around with leg distance. Some people need to be a little bit wider than others. We want to make sure we're using our hips to move and not our backs to move. Great exercise for mobility and to learn how to use your hips and not your back.